Okay, we have a 3-liter Duratec motor from an '05 Escape, already partially disassembled and on the engine stand. The purpose of this video is primarily for my own use in the future when trying to put the thing back together again. I will start with the driver's side of the engine. Close-ups on everything. Water pump. No obvious tricky parts or anything here. Notice the water pump hose going to the top of the block here. The shorter water pump hose coming out the looks like that's probably the suction. Idler, correction, tensioner. Alright, now look at this is the forward head. The rear head is already removed. Obviously the intake cam is very distinctly identifiable from the exhaust cam. No problem there. We have 5 bearings on the intake cam, only 4 on the exhaust cam. Each bearing has a number on it. 181, 207, 183, 186, 69, 88, 192, 197, 186. Moving around to the passenger side of the engine. Again, we can see the cams are labeled. Intake, left hand. Exhaust, left hand. Okay, we have chain guides, plastic chain guides. There's an aluminum chain guide with a plastic liner. There's one of these aluminum chain guides with the liner, came off of the rear head as well. It's only mounted right here at this pin, which is on the head. I did not remove a plastic chain guide from this side. Here's the chain tensioner for the forward chain. Little spring-loaded tensioner assembly. 2 bolts. Here's another tensioner for this side. When I got the motor, this bolt was missing, so the tensioner was already loose. So I need to replace that bolt. Nothing else notable on this side. Come around to the pistons on the rear side. This gasket is still installed. I'll pull that off later. Up here, nothing installed here. This piece installed here. I believe that comes off for a 2.5 build. Correction, for installation into a 2.5. Nothing particularly interesting over here. Nothing notable on the side of the block. Going to attempt to roll the engine at this time. And pour water out all over the floor. Yeah. I'll look at the bottom and front side of the engine. Here's the front side. Exhaust ports. Oil filter installed. Some kind of a sensor here. Not sure what that is. Okay, great. The bottom of the engine. You can see this baffle plate installed. Looks like I'm missing a nut right here. Actually, based on this discoloration, it looks like it was more than just a nut. There may be something else that goes there. Get a good look at the oil pump here. Nothing of particular note to worry about there. And that completes it for the beginning of work tour of this motor.